Hi everyone, welcome back to Not Too Shabby. Today is one of my favorite videos every month because we're unboxing all of the August subscriptions. And I can't wait to show you what's inside. If you ever wondered what it's like to be a Not Too Shabby subscriber, this is the perfect video for you. We'll take a closer look at each subscription. We have the box of the month, which I'm sharing right now. We also have the stamp of the month and the paper pad club of the month, and we have our smaller version of our box of the month called the junior box. I'll also share project ideas along the way, and you'll see all the beautiful products up close before they start arriving in everyone's mailbox. I know life gets busy and sometimes it's hard to make time for yourself. I love that our subscription gives you a reason to pause, pour a cup of coffee, tea, whatever you love to drink, and spend an hour doing something creative just because it makes you happy. Every month feels like a little gift to yourself. Everything is designed to coordinate so you can spend less time wondering what goes together and more time creating. If you've ever been thinking about joining our Box of the Month, this is a wonderful time to start. New Box of the Month subscribers receive a discounted shipping on their very first box. And when your order reaches $60, you'll receive a free gift. It's a great way to build your crafty stash while treating yourself to something fun every month. In your box of the month, you'll receive 2 6x6 paper pads with matching ephemera packs. You'll also get a 6x8 stamp set and a 6x6 stamp set with lots of sentiments that will coordinate with all of the goodies in your box. You'll also get a sampler pack of our A2 card fronts every month. This month, there is an extra bonus sheet in the Mocha Season paper pad. You'll see that in the back. It's a little bonus from Teresa. If you're curious about any of our subscriptions, I'll have the link in the description box below so you could read more about it. You do get a discount when you sign up monthly, and your renewal date is 30 days after the date you purchased.
The leaves are dancing down the street. There's something cozy in the air. Pull out the paper stamps and glue. Our favorite season's finally here. A warm cup waiting by my side. Soft sweaters piled up high. Chocolate browns and pumpkin tones, and crafty time tonight. With every little bough and leaf, a cozy story starts to grow. It must be Mocha season, can you feel it in the air?
I'm going to share the Paper Pad Club I Want It All option with you. If you are on our I Want It All option, you do get the Stamp of the Month, which is super cute. I had so much fun coloring in this image. I shined up those apples, I did the inside, and I used the sentiment picked just for you. I also played with the ephemera, and I did use the sentiment from our A2 card fronts. Thought that turned out super cute. These two paper pads coordinate so well together, so you can mix and match the designs. They both go so well with the ephemera pack. I will also have the link to the Paper Pad Club subscription down below. You do get a discount when you choose monthly for your frequency.
Grab your basket, come along. Apple season won't last long. Red and golden, fresh and sweet. Autumn crafting can't be beat. Plaids and gingham leaves that fall. Cozy colors, we love them all. Pick your patterns, make a card. Getting started isn't hard.
there was your paper pad club. I won it all. The link to join our paper pad club is in the description box. Here I'm sharing what's inside your junior box. You get the Mocha Season collection and the beautiful A2 card fronts. I absolutely had a ball creating those 2 cards. The box of the month, you'll get the 6x8 stamp set, the Blush Autumn collection, along with all the stuff in the junior box. You will get a sampling of the A2 card fronts, not the whole pack, but you'll get 6 beautiful panels. All links will be in the description box for you. Meet me back today at 10 a.m. for a release day party. I can't wait to hang out with you guys. I'll see you then. Bye guys!